Guys, Scotty here. We're going kayaking today. Jayla, Zoe, and I. We're actually going to our land that we just bought, about an acre, and it's got water access. So we're gonna go check out the lake today. We're gonna put the kayak on the lake. We're gonna go check out the land. We'll show you guys the new campsite. This will be campsite number 2, and we got campsite number 3 coming very shortly. I guess the idea here is that we're going to start a little business, maybe renting campsites. I don't know, we'll see. Or we could just have a whole lot of fun on our own. Sort of a big-ish announcement, I guess. Figured I'd take you guys along for the ride today. Some good summer vibes. Gonna go kayaking. We're gonna check out this lake, see what it's like, maybe do some swimming, dunk Zoe in the water, and it's gonna be a good old time. It's gonna be a good old-fashioned Canadian afternoon. Excited to take you guys along, and yeah, see what happens here. She's a good girl, Zoe. Oh, she's a good girl.
Oh, that already looks nicer.
Okay. Sure. All right, this property is about an acre, and this is the only part of it that's cleared out. It's got this old trailer here. Zoe, come here. Bring it forward a little bit, Jayla. Okay.
Hold a little bit on your hand and on the top of her head. Yeah, awesome. Did we bring the food?
Yeah, I got it. Let's just double check. Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, I could take Zoe though. Here. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Come on, Zoe. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. No, this way. Come on, Zoe. Okay. There you go. Oh man, that's nice. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's all right. I'm just gonna leave my shoes here. What's up?
There's earwigs everywhere. Gross, there's one there. There was an albino one. It was huge.
That's all right, man.
It's right there, look. Killed it.
They're all dead now.
Are we going swimming now?
Oh, look at Mommy. Where'd Mommy go? Come on, see mommy. Come on.
Wow, that's nice. Wow, that's nice.
Water's warm, eh?
We'll go swimming? Come on, let's go.
Come on, Zoe. No, come on. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Good girl.
Good job. How far can you go? Come on, Zoe. You can do better than that.
Alrighty. Yes, yeah. The water's nice, eh? Come here. Come here.
It's impossible to look tough in that life.
Yeah. Though you're wearing a life jacket. Well, there might be a few, but it's part of kayaking.
No, it is not. There's another one
Oh man, this is nice. Super nice.
But really it would be us like eating donuts.
Yeah. God, I love this kayak.
This is what I picture. Oh, you've got a dog too? Look over there's a doggy.
He's got an electric motor he's using. Hi. Where's your girl, Zoe? You like being in the kayak? Are you a kayaking dog now? Are you an outdoor dog now? You're no longer a city dog. Look at her little nose going. Yeah, she's doing the crooked nose thing. We got a lot of work to do on the land just to get the land ready, but the idea is that we're gonna put my motorhome that I'm working on fixing the exhaust manifolds right now. Once I've done that motorhome, the new parking area for that will be on the 1 acre piece of land that we bought just by this lake here. So it's about a 5-minute walk, I'd say, to the lake. I'm not sure how big this lake would be, but it's good and deep, and the water's clean. Like, there's not a whole lot of jerks like you Ottawa Scotty whizzing around on their polluting PWCs. This lake is just pristine. Hi. Beauty day, huh?
Go away, Ben.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Thank you.
Which,
Through there.
smooth sailing. What? I can't hear you.
Look at these cute little trailers in the trees.
Oh, that's nice. Bright green. Alright, I think I'm gonna have a swim. What do you think, Zoe? You coming in? Wow, look at that water, just bright green like that.
You going with your GoPro?
Yep. I almost lost it. Oh man.
The way you kicked your leg. Get out of here with your fucking video camera.
What are these little clips for? I wonder. You coming in, Zoe?
Go to the front and get her away from me. Go, Zoe, get up there. Oh, my apple. Stop! No! Stop it! You're not climbing me.
Do you want to come in the water? You want to come in? Oh, this is uncomfortable. That is uncomfortable. You want to come in? You want to come in? You want to come in with Daddy? Huh? You want to come in with Daddy? Come on.
She just likes watching you. Just stay at the front so she doesn't try to climb me. Wow.
In you get.
No.
Come on.
No.
There, I'll lift you up. Ready? Come over here. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Ready? Okay guys, what's going on?
No, Zoe. No. No. You can't.
Okay, Zoe, you're like, really. Okay, cool. This is your spot. Your spot's over here. Over here. So look. Oh, that's gross. Here, I'll turn you around. No, Zoe, no, Zoe, no. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, that's okay. That's actually okay. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I think she doesn't like this too much because it's uncomfortable.
Maybe we just need to bring her bed in here.
Yeah. So what? She's gonna. Yeah. Okay. Try it. Try. She just really wants to lie down somewhere. Okay. She's had enough of this.
You wanna go home, Zoe?
Yeah, Zoe wanted.
Zoe, you okay?
Look at that.
Hold on.
It actually looks pretty comfortable for her.
So what I did was not good, but that's fine.
No, this is not good either.
Okay.
Ow. Okay. Getting out, Zoe. Oh, that's out. Okay.
Smooth. That was like Daddy's jump in the water. Woo! Can you lean to the left? Just did the whole walk back.
Like, because she wanted to.
Get back to you.
Oh, Daddy's not going anywhere. Daddy's not going anywhere. It's okay. Yeah, like you could tell that's the vibe of the lake, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody.
It's really respectful, even the renters.
Yeah. So you.
Also, they come here on Sundays, so I'm sure that plays a factor.